Today we are going to give you some information on the WBCS, that is the West Bengal Civil Services examination. So, let us talk about the selection procedure first. Now, selection procedure is divided into 4 levels. So, the first level is the preliminary examination. The second level is the mains examination. The third level is the PI, that is personal interview. And the fourth level is medical examination. Now, let us discuss about the examination procedure, or rather the examination pattern and procedure in brief. So firstly, let us talk about the preliminary exam. So let us talk about the prelims. Now this preliminary exam will consist of one paper, that is basically on general studies. It would be an objective type consisting of 200 MCQ, that is multiple choice questions, each carrying 1 mark. So each will carry 1 mark. The total duration, so the duration for this exam will be 2.5 hours, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. And the standard of this paper would be of the level of knowledge as expected of a graduate of any faculty of a recognized university. And the topics which would be tested are basically English, general science, current events, of national importance, history of India, to name a few. Next, we come to the main examination. So let me do it with a different color. The main examination. This will consist of 6 compulsory papers and 1 optional subject. To be chosen by the candidates. Now, there will be 2 papers of the optional subject of 200 marks each. So of this one optional subject, there will be two papers of 200 marks each. Each compulsory or optional will carry 200 marks and will be of duration 3 hours. So each paper will have a duration of 3 hours. The next part, that is the personality test. Now, once you clear the prelims and then you clear the mains, you qualify for the personality test. Now in this, the candidate will be asked questions. On matters of general interest. The objective of the test would be to assess the candidate's personal qualities, that is, alertness of mind, power of clear and logical exposition, intellectual and moral integrity, leadership, and also the candidates range of interests. Now after the personality test, will the candidates, now those who clear the personality test, they will have their medical examination. Now candidates who will be selected will be required to appear before a medical board. For certificates of their fitness, for government service in the form prescribed for the purpose. For any more queries, you can call, WhatsApp or message us at 98367 93076, or you can also visit our website, that is www.souravsirclasses.com.